Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we'll learn how to close all tabs in Google Chrome with one click. This is very easy. So let's start. First open Google Chrome on your device. Now see here in my Chrome, there are a lot of tabs are opened. If I close individually, that will need a lot of time, but we want to close them all with one tapping. This is very easy. For this, tap on three dot menu. Now click on close all tabs. This will pop up a warning. There are two options. One is cancel, another is close all tabs and groups. Now tap on close all tabs and group. See here, all tabs are closed and also Google Chrome is closed. See here, there are no tabs open in my Google Chrome. This is very easy and useful. I hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel. Thank you.